Good evening, boys and girls. This is our geometry lesson just about angles, all right? Now, how we measure angles is by a tool called a protractor, and I put one up here on the board, and I even wrote its name, okay? You may or may not have seen this before, but all this does is help us to accurately measure the degrees of an angle, okay? There are 4 different kinds of angles. We are only concerned with the first 3, but for those of you that wanted to know, I went ahead and told you the 4th one. So an acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees, okay? And an easy way to remember this is the less than sign itself will never be more than 90 degrees either. So here's some different examples. They're all less than a right angle or 90 degrees, and you can turn them in all different directions. Okay, an obtuse angle is one that is greater than 90 degrees, greater than a right angle. Okay, so they're all going to be much larger than our capital L right angle. And again, I put them in different directions. Okay, a right angle is one that is exactly 90 degrees, not 89, not 91, but 90 degrees. It is a capital L, okay? It has the straight corner. Our rectangles and squares are have right angles. Okay, it's exactly 90 degrees. Okay, and for those of you that are curious, a straight angle is our other kind of angle, and it's 180 degrees. It is just a straight line. If you think about it, 90 plus 90 is 180, and if I add these 2 angles up and take away the straight part, then I would have a straight line, and it would be 180. So this is not something we're going to talk about right now, but I know some of you, you want to know everything. So here's what a straight angle is. Here's your homework. Okay, practice was what I just showed you. Now I'd like for you to identify each of these angles by writing the word acute, obtuse, or right. So is it less than 90 degrees, more than 90 degrees, or exactly 90 degrees? Okay, good luck.